Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to disable TalkBack on your Poco phone. As you can see, I have TalkBack enabled and the item that is selected has the green outline and it will be read out loud. So as I switch between items that are selected, to do it, swipe right or left.
Wednesday, January 22nd. Double tap to activate.
And this is how it looks. So to do it, you need to just swipe right or left until you go to settings.
Note, search, Google, voice, visual, gallery, secure, on, use, place, theme, on, game, 7 settings. Double tap to activate.
Then
double tap and hold to long press.
Then double tap to open the settings.
Settings. Search.
Then
search
go
settings.
to the additional features. So you need to go down quite a lot.
Battery, AI, Xiaomi, Google, addition, privacy, additional settings, 25 of 28. Double tap to activate.
And here is your additional settings, so double tap to activate it. Then go to accessibility. Double tap. Then go to vision, double tap. Go to TalkBack. Double tap. Go to use TalkBack, double tap. Then go to turn off. And double tap, and TalkBack is disabled. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.